Wha-bam! Oh shit. Oh, don't ignore that guy. Back in action, back at it. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. What do I say? As far as welcome back to the YouTube. We back. We back, bitches. With enthusiasm. You gotta say it with enthusiasm.
We back, bitches.
That's probably a little. Yeah, we're back to the channel. Let's go. Took the Firebird out.
My car. I let him borrow it.
Oh, your car?
I let him borrow it.
I'm sure my dad.
Look, I even match. I match. You see?
You color code your car?
Yeah, I always got to match with my car. Always. You're not whipping your car if you ain't matching it with your car.
Anyways, came to Andy's garage. Take a look at his truck. You guys probably haven't seen this in a while. I think the last time I filmed this, it was still in pieces, or we were trying to get something done on it, but it's done. It's together. There's still a couple things to clean up, but for the most part, the car's just about ready for drag racing. So, again, welcome back to the channel. We're racing again. What do you think that is? If you had to guess what that was.
That looks oddly like a turbo. I know it's not. I know it's not.
If you think it's a turbo, just say it. I think it's a turbo.
Well, it's not a...
It's okay to think things are things.
No, it's not a turbo. It looks like one though. Does it have a similar function to a turbo?
Does it look like it does?
It looks like it has a similar function to a turbo.
Okay. I mean, you would be right on that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, because this goes in there, huh?
That's the turbo, bro.
That is a turbo?
No, it's not.
Oh, is it you?
That's actually a water pump.
Water pump.
It is a water pump.
No, it looks.
It's a water pump, dude.
I believe you.
I think it's called the Davis.
The Davis.
Yeah, all it does is just that water pump is for the ice tank that's supposed to be right there.
Is that the fuel tank?
This is the fuel tank. The ice tank controls the water flow for the water and ice to cool the intake air that's coming through the turbos.
Oh, okay.
Turbos create heat. You have to cool that air down.
Understandable.
Follow. Hey man, I came here to like drive the freaking truck, not to fix it for you or solve any freaking problems. I'm not your on-demand mechanic, okay?
Yeah, you're worthless. You haven't been here in like a year, so.
I thought I was driving the truck.
What?
That's what I was doing.
We're gonna put a chair for you outside while we go drive.
Sit guard.
Yeah. I can sit back here, right?
You can tell the YouTube people what's up, or what? You just ignoring them like you don't care about them?
I probably have snot coming
They made
out my nose.
they made you famous, and now you don't give a fuck.
No, those fuckers always just talk shit about me.
What
Oh, there it is.
What do they say? What do they say about you that's talking shit?
And he's a piece of shit.
And he's a piece of shit. If anybody wants to know, the flame tattoo's still strong, living, bros.
It's not going anywhere.
It still hasn't faded with age.
You're such
It still got
asshole.
color.
You're such an asshole.
That's what y'all don't know about your tattoos. You too, because you got tattoos all over your freaking hands. When you get old,
I have one tattoo on
when you get old, that shit's gonna be all graded and dulled up.
Oh no, I'm gonna retouch it.
Are you gonna retouch your flames?
No. I'll cut my arm before I do that again.
Was that bad?
No.
Maybe you should tattoo like suit sleeves
Suit sleeves?
with cuffs. Everyone thinks they're a man when they're racing until you pull that data log.
Right.
And you see your foot lifting.
Yeah.
At the age.
I don't know what that means.
So they're cousins.
We're not cousins.
Oh my god, we're cousins.
He's not officially my cousin. I hardly know the dude. go?
I can drive wherever you want.
You want to go to that one place underneath the bridge, and then we'll turn around, get on the highway, do some rollers.
Sure.
I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do rollers with that lens I brought. I wasn't prepared to come do rollers, so we'll give it a go. What do you not like about the truck?
No radio.
No radio?
It's the only
Change
thing.
that.
I'm going to.
What else?
I need to put a headliner in it.
What?
It bothers me.
I don't like this shifter, but I guess it's alright.
You don't like the shifter here?
Yeah, no, I don't like it at all.
What's wrong with it?
I don't like these shifters.
This one doesn't have initial shifting from first to second. And third. Unlike yours. Raven, where are you?
Hey, the truck's really solid though. Like, I'm enjoying cruising.
Well, I opened the seal too now.
Oh god.
Let me see what it does on the seal too.
It's just gonna blow the tires
No,
out.
it won't. Why? I laid 2 stripes instantly.
It's got an aggressive ramp. It doesn't have a roll racing ramp.
No. It just goes.
Look at the smoke in the back.
Been pretty good there, bro. You're a little snuggy boot. There's still CO2 in the lines, baby boy.
I think hit the shift limiter so quick. Damn, girl.
What's up, Babs?
Damn.
Damn, look at all
Andy, you've gained some weight, big dog.
Look at that water.
Gained some weight.
Smell that head. Look, smell that E85.
I don't want to smell your finger, man. I don't know where it's been.
Look at all that water,
It's
bro.
just looking at you questionably. When's the last time you drained that?
I've never.
You need to drain it.
It was the second time I've driven it, so.
There's condensation and shit. You saw it smoking. It's condensating. Anyways, truck looks good. Oh, this guy.
Drive the Trans Am.
You're not first of all, you keep
Drive the
calling it a
Firebird.
Trans Am. So number one. Number two,
Let me drive the phone.
my father-in-law is gonna look at this. He's gonna be like, "Don't you let that motherfucker touch my car."
What? do
You're
I
lucky you're riding in
Do
it.
I look untrustworthy?
Yes.
It looks like what drop? What?
Yes.
What's drop? What's it's pissing?
We're
It's pissing.
yes.
It's from the.
We're evacuating the catch can.
Oh.
Juan didn't do.
Drag race maintenance. Actually, I am.
Juan
on top
didn't
of-
do that?
I'm on top of my maintenance.
You don't remember that happened to you? You never drained it?
That's how I learned. And then guess
That's a lot of
guess how
water.
you
Smell
guess
like
how
that.
you learned it by me making the mistake.
Why does it smell like that? It smells like rubbing alcohol.
E85.
It's
Ah.
85 moisture.
Corn.
Oh, it's moist.
It's Kern.
Corn.
It's Kern. His name, dude.
Seth Rogen? Yeah,
my
Seth
God,
Rogen.
these two guys.
Seth Rogen.
The podcaster?
This is
yeah,
my-
Seth Rogen.
No, not Joe Rogan.
Joe Rogan.
Not Joe Rogan.
No, wait, who? Oh, the guy, the actor.
Seth Rogen, the actor?
Rogen's
Seth
the
Rogen,
actor.
this
Yeah,
is this
Seth-
motherfucker.
The Joe Rogan is the podcaster.
No, to me he looks like he looks like Mugatu from Zoolander, the bad guy.
Oh my god, yes.
my
Fuck,
God.
Colin Farrell with the fucking.
But you gotta move it. You gotta
He
like.
does. It's usually
Yeah,
it's usually spread out in the morning.
Whatever.
Fucking
You gotta
Mugatu
see a
looking
fucking
guy.
crack right here.
I'm gonna put a picture of Mugatu right here just so everyone knows.
You mean I'm gonna edit it?
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am. Let me
You're
edit.
not, no.
God, you don't let me do nothing, dog.
No, you're not driving and you're not editing. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you. Anyways, truck looks good, dude.
Yeah.
It's ready to roll. couple little fixes here and there,
A
and
little bit more, little fix.
TLCs.
I'm glad that I waited to drive it.
You're gonna be a quick 30, right?
Oh yeah.
And the truck's gonna be there, right? And you're gonna race, right? Do you have your suit? Do you have your helmet?
Come
Have
on.
all
Man.
that? I'm just asking because it's been like 3 years.
If it fits me, it's another story. Be looking like Gumby trying to walk.
You'll be
in.
looking like me, getting in your suit.
You're the one that looked like Bowser driving this truck.
Yeah, it was a little rough to drive it low key. I don't know if you guys know, but this truck's actually not black. It's blue. Technically,
Toyota Tundra Pro Black.
pearl black is actually,
It's a TRD.
if
no,
you look,
Pearl.
I don't know if the, there it is.
TRD Pro.
See all that blue? That's it for us now.
You didn't show my baby.
Oh man, I don't want to show that plain ass Camaro.
What do you mean? It's not plain. It's like the most nicest Camaro that Chevrolet
It's
ever
a Camaro. It's just like every other Camaro that's on the road. Look, oh, another Camaro with another spoiler and clear head taillights. Looks the same. Anyways, I got a cage. It's probably all rest of the shed. I'm gonna start on the new body here pretty soon. And then we're gonna bring it over here when he gets his lift in so I can use it.
It's not gonna stay in there. I'll tell you that right.
It's gonna stay in there for at least 2 months. And then I'm gonna take it home.
You're such an asshole.
All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Say bye.